Good
Monday.
It's around 10 a.m. We've got a little bit of a story to go through here. Here we have a vintage Pyrex, brand new, 232 baking dish. Holy moly. It is in mint condition. It comes with a freaky recipe on the back. Stuffed Peppers Italiano with bologna or salami. We're using bologna. It's kind of elaborate. But bologna and hard-boiled eggs. Oh my God. Hard-boiled eggs. Oh my God. This came with a silver-plated cradle with legs. They shipped it in this box. It was too big for this. And it must have bounced around in there and one of the feet broke. To be honest, I was pretty upset. I wrote the seller, told them it was broken. They were very sympathetic. They were very nice. Really good seller. The seller suggested a 50% refund. I was looking for maybe $8 because I know that this is a good deal. I know this is a beautiful pan and it's not broken. But they'd already issued the refund. This ended up costing, I think, $22 total. I have to glue the foot back on the cradle, and that's pretty much toast in terms of value. I'm pretty sure this is 60s. There is no barcode. Not a barcode to be found. It's got this beautiful light green. Sometimes it's yellow. Light green tint. But it's not like today's Pyrex. Got the circle logo. You hold this up to the light, there's not a scratch. It's a beautiful thing. When a seller is so nice as they were, it just makes the whole experience a little better considering $1.39, man. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. We don't just have bologna. We have hard-boiled eggs, soft breadcrumbs, cheddar cheese. Come on! The recipe calls for 6 large green peppers. There were only 2 green peppers in good shape this morning, so we're using 2 red, 2 orange, and 2 green. That's what we're going to do. And they're not that large. But we've got breadcrumbs, bologna or salami, grated cheddar cheese, 2 hard-cooked eggs chopped, garlic powder, oregano, celery salt, garlic salt. We're going to try to watch our sodium. 30 minutes. Simmer for 30 minutes. Considering I got a brand new one for $22 with a broken cradle, I'm pretty happy. So, thank you again for giving me the 50% discount. I would have taken 8. I'm very appreciative. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. It said don't pack it. It just says to pour it over it. Let's do it. Oh my God. Here we go. In the oven. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Oh. Oh my God. Oh.
Whoa, I almost dropped it.
Where's the cheese? I wanted to put cheese on them. I don't know. It's all about how they taste. Can we get it out? Whoa. The only thing I changed was the amount of sodium. I put about half the salt that they asked for. Instead of 2 teaspoons, I put 1 teaspoon of salt in the peppers, and instead of the sauce, I put, I don't know what it was. Bologna, hard-boiled egg, and cheese. And bread! Let's cut it open! How do we do this? Do we cut it in half? Should we try to cut it in half? Can I cut it in half? Oh my gosh, I can cut it in half! Oh! It has a very unique smell. Not unpleasant, just very different. The sauce did seep down in. We could cut it in half, which is pretty cool. You ready? It's very tender. Oh my gosh, there's a hard-boiled egg. Oh my gosh. 1960s PYREX stuffed Peppers Italiano. Italiano with German bologna. Oh my God. Wow, that tastes really good. I did not expect it. The truth is, I had no idea what to expect. Wow, that's it. Let's get another piece of pepper. Pepper is nice and tender. Is this a thing? Egg yolk? Is this a thing? Hard-boiled eggs and bologna. That's frickin' delicious. If I put another teaspoon of salt in the peppers, it might be too salty. It's a little salty, but not in a bad way yet. Wow. Bologna. Very weird. Very... That's frickin' delicious. I know. Gracie agrees. I'm a little in shock. I think the only thing that's throwing me off is that it's a little mushy. Is there something we could put in here that would make it less mushy? The flavors are unexpected. That's really good. And of course, we didn't put cheese on top. I followed the directions. It just said pour the sauce on top. All right. Hey, thanks for joining me this
Monday.
You know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. That's really tasty.